They just dey do like Adasa. Hey, you don't even get space for the camera. 8:29, 30 seconds. That is school something. Oh, this is something.
Artlist.io.
Hey, where they do here?
Music licensing reimagined.
Come, Mama. Adasa. Please. What is Mama? Yes, I'm making your hair. Well, mommy finish, yeah? Let me finish.
Artlist.io.
Mama, let me wrap this one. Good job. Mama is a good girl. She let me. Mama, now. Every manipulation of the highest order because what is it that Mia is doing? The other one is to make her help. She's not coming to work me. Can Mama turn around? Can I? She'll not answer me again. I just managing one that we have now. She'll not answer me. So, I've secured my daughter's phone because I don't want to hear. Eh? Let me show you people. Yep. I poured it inside that conco now. That's finished now. Your daddy will say, which kind of life be this? Ah! With my select cap. So obviously I'm going to cut a lot of things out of this vlog. This vlog is a lot. I've just been, because of the storage in this DJI thing. I don't even know.
Artlist.io.
Sorry. I've packed that one now. I make you not finish the yogurt. The yogurt is still plenty. I said I make you not finish the yogurt. So because of the kind of memory card I bought, it's 250 something gig. It's not plenty like that, but it's a lot. I mean, it's more than what I was using for my phone that I was using for years. So, and then I schedule videos. So once I schedule, I delete. Once I've scheduled it and backed it up in my cloud, I delete it from the memory card. So I don't think I'll ever have memory storage issues because this memory card, it gives you 10 hours of filming, like 10 hours. That's a lot though. I mean, okay, let me sit down. I've been standing since. Tripod has been saving life. I've made a lot of content with this tripod and I want to buy that 7 feet on, and then this angle that you get shots from up. Is it angle tripod? Yes, that's what they call it. So I've been talking so much in this video. Surprisingly, I should be coming here often. I've been working. This my son's school project is a lot. I know I'm very detailed in that video. Like in that every element in that project, I inserted it. Like I was so intentional to the extent that this traditional attire, I use it to do the edges. I don't know how to explain it, but when that video comes out, you're gonna see it. And you will see the work I put into it. Let me end the vlog here. I'll see you guys in my next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my video. This my voice is to make me talk somehow. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video. My appointment is even coming soon. Thank God. Thank you. God bless you for doing the Lord's work.
Music licensing reimagined.